Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a quick and flavorful 10-minute chili garlic paratha. This crispy paratha is packed with garlic and chili flavor, perfect for breakfast, lunch or evening snacks. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a soft dough. Rub a little oil on the dough and keep aside for a few minutes. Now take a portion of dough and roll it flat. Now prepare the chili garlic mixture. In a bowl add 5 to 6 cloves chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon ghee. Use ghee for extra aroma and taste. Mix everything well. Chili flakes add both color and taste to dishes. Spread this chili garlic mixture evenly over the rolled dough. Fold the dough as shown and roll it flat again. Garlic contains antioxidants and natural health benefits. Homemade parathas avoid preservatives found in packaged foods. Coriander leaves adds vitamins and freshness. Using control oil keeps the dish balanced. Do not roll the paratha too thin after filling. Heat a pan and cook the paratha on medium heat. Cook on medium heat to avoid burning garlic. Spread a little oil and fry both sides until golden and crispy. Garlic has been used in cooking for thousands of years. Paratha is one of the most popular flatbreads. Layered parathas create a crispy and flaky texture. Chop garlic finely for even flavor. Your crispy 10-minute chili garlic paratha is ready. Serve hot with yogurt, pickle or chutney. Try this quick recipe at home and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy and delicious recipes.